Have you ever wondered why some of the most successful people they never post about their wins in social media, even though they achieve incredible things? Hello everyone, welcome to Energizing Psychological Tips. If you're someone who haven't subscribed the channel yet, I request you to kindly subscribe and follow along. As I said, some people achieve incredible things, but they never announce it. Friends, in this video, let's dive deep into the psychological of people who keep their accomplishment private. Just not because they are insecure, but because they have learned to protect their peace, their growth, and their inner world. Let's see the psychological reason behind it. Let's see one by one. Number one, the quiet achievers. People who stay silent about their achievements have learned something early in life. Yes, they know very well that attention does not always bring support or joy. They know sometimes it brings judgment. For example, if you are a content writer and your video goes viral, what would be the viewers count? They may say it's overrated or this can be done by anyone. This visibility triggers comparison and judgment. Or if you take it in a workplace, if an employee gets promoted quickly, colleagues may comment it's too fast, or it must be a politics, or he or she may be a manager's close person. Here, success attracts suspicion more than a or during a young age, maybe every time they share something they are proud of, someone minimize, they criticize, or made them feel guilty for sure. For what they do, they will decide not to reveal anything. They also believe that happiness is safe and secure when kept close to their heart. These are all the people who clap for themselves in silence. The ones you feel joy from the applause of others, but from the quiet moment when they sit with what they have accomplished and think, they get immense satisfied and joy. Reason number two. At some point of time, you must be thinking why these people are not sharing their success stories, why they're not sharing their accomplishments with us, even to close ones or friends or even. Isn't it? Have you ever thought? See, I'll tell you. Actually, there are three deep psychological reasons that people don't share their achievements. Number one, they don't need validation, they need meaning. Number two, some people measure success privately because the moment they achieve something, the fulfillment happens inside them, not on a screen, not through likes, not through comments. For them, sharing does not give any sort of happiness. They believe magic lies in the journey and not in the announcements. We all live in a world where everything needs a proof, isn't it? Like proof for your progress, proof for your productiveness, proof for this, proof for that, and proof for your living your best life. But here, people who don't show their achievements have outgrown and need to prove and need not to prove anything, but they believe life is no longer a performance. It's a private practice, be it a growth or be it a success or lessons and efforts. For them, silence is not a security, it is a maturity. They understand one thing clearly, like not everyone is happy for it. For some people, sharing good news invites jealousy or negativity. So they learn to protect their wins. They never disclose it to anyone. Yes, to anyone. Reason number three, the inner world of silent achievers. There are so many people we know who demonstrated this through their inner silence and self-driven nature. Like we all know Ratan Tata, Sachin Tendulkar, A.R. Rahman, Sin Mother Teresa, Sundar Pichai, and Keanu Reeves. Here, Keanu Reeves is a Canadian American actor, producer, and musician known for his iconic role. He lives very simple life. He avoids celebrity culture. He is a very polite person, low profile and grounded. He believed that one no need attention to exist. There is something beautiful among people who achieve quietly. They tend to be deep thinkers, emotionally self sufficient, highly empathetic, and extremely self aware. They don't want praises, they don't involve themselves into comparisons, they don't need audience to feel proud. On top of that, they don't share their wins to anyone. If at all they tend to share, they share it with their close friends or siblings, partners, and family members, and sometimes no one at all. They don't share because they don't trust anyone in this world. They share because the world is already a complete one. Reason number four, the invisible pressure they carry. Here is a part most people never see. Even though they don't publicly announce their achievements, they still crave for their recognition. They want someone they know their sacrifices behind the achievements. Quiet achievers want to be seen, but only people who can see them genuinely. You know why these people stay quiet? Because success to them is different. It's something personal, it's something earned through private battles, failures, and private growth. And here's the most beautiful part, their achievements don't need to be loud. If you're someone who doesn't share your wins publicly, remember, this is not flaw. It is a form of emotional intelligence. You are not hiding your life, instead, you are honoring it. And if you ever feel unseen or appreciated, remember this, the right people notice your effort even when you don't announce it. The right people celebrate your growth even when you keep it private. And also, the right people value it silent because they know it came from the depth, not from insecurity. Not all success need an audience, not all milestone need a spotlight. When I talk about success in this context, I would like to share something with you all. Do you believe that? If I say you can read a person's character through the trait, yes, there are a few indicators that help you with that. Like how they handle success to, or how do they stay safe or turn dismissive or an arrogant, because success doesn't change people, it is just exposes the part of their character that was silent earlier. Number one, how they act under pressure. Do they stay calm or lash out and stop blaming others? Because pressure and stress can reveal the parts of their character that are usually hidden. Success people, straight fire. They pause. Before reacting, they focus on what they can control. They reframe pressure as a challenge. They simplify instead of overthinking. Most importantly, they don't take things personal. For example, an employee is working in a company, he makes some mistakes, in his work, and his boss calls him and criticizes. Okay, the reaction of a successful person is different because he or she has strong self-construct. He does not take the criticism so personally. He understands that when a boss criticizes him, it is a feedback about his work, not an attack on his identity or self-worth. Now, same situation, okay? Let's see how these unsuccessful people handle this. They take criticism as a personal attack. They become defensive or argumentative. They react with fear and anxiety. They avoid responsibility. They seek external validation. They become very emotionally shut down. They also engage in self-blame and rumination. For example, instead of improving, they keep replaying the criticism in their head. They think like, I always mess up things. I am not good at anything. My boss is always unfair. They look for emotional comfort instead of self correction. They focus on protecting the ego, not solving the problem. Number two, maybe I think that's the most important one. It's how they talk behind people's back. Because the way they speak about others when they're not around can reveal a lot about their character. It can show jealousy or insecurity and the level of loyalty and respect for others. And this is discussed not to judge and label people. It's more about noticing certain traits and giving a better indicators. All right. I hope you found this video useful and I request you to kindly subscribe the channel if you haven't so far. Until the next video, stay vigilant, stay curious and stay safe. And I wish you all a very happy New Year 2026. Keep rocking.